Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm bringing you my first autumn routine video for 2022. So this is a typical work day for me and I like to start my mornings at around 7 to 7:30. The first thing I do is pick my phone up, have a little scroll through social media like you do. Then normally Boo is on hand for some cat cuddles and snuggles, and then it's time to stretch and wake up. Today was one of those gorgeous, crisp, sunny days. Chilly, but the sun is shining. I love these kind of days in autumn. I then like to try and attempt to do my bed. I say attempt because Boo, as you can see, is always just sat on it stubbornly, not wanting to move, which, yeah, proves difficult sometimes, but I just feel like once your bed is made, you are set up and ready for the day. We then like to head on downstairs. You will notice that Boo, of course, is always by my side because she is my little shadow. And then the first thing I like to do is sort her breakfast out. And not forgetting those mandatory morning kiddie cuddles. She absolutely loves being snuggled in the morning. Then it's time to put the kettle on and choose my mug for the day. I'm going with this gorgeous Hello Pumpkin mug from Next last season. I absolutely love this. And then I'm making myself a lovely cup of Yorkshire tea. Has to be Yorkshire every time. You guys will probably already know this about me, but I just can't drink any other tea. Yorkshire tea is the best. Then I also like to pour myself a glass of water alongside my tea just to rehydrate and sit down and take my vitamins. It's then time to sit down and take my vitamins. So the vitamins I'm taking currently every single day are the Ritual Essential for Women. I absolutely love these vitamins. They contain 9 high quality nutrients from D3 to omega-3 that are difficult to get enough of every day, even with a healthy diet. They're designed to be gentle on an empty stomach with a delayed release capsule design, and there's also a little mint tab in each of the bottles, so it just keeps the vitamins smelling so fresh. Like, the smell of these is so good. It's also important to add they are vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten free, allergen free, and they contain no added sugar. They also offer men's multivitamins, 50 plus, prenatal, postnatal, kids. There's just a whole bunch of stuff, so definitely check them out. I will have a discount code for 20% off, which is lauragemmahome20. So yeah, if you want to take a small step to help support a healthy foundation of your body and just fill in the gaps of your diet, then honestly I cannot recommend these enough. I then just like to log onto my laptop and just go over any emails, reply to comments, and just get all of that done before I start my day. It's then time to head upstairs and get ready for the gym. So today's activewear, I'm obviously going with Gymshark. Absolutely love these sets. I've honestly had these for a couple of years now and the quality is just so good. Always feel super confident when I wear these. With being self-employed, I'm very lucky that I have the luxury of kind of being able to go to the gym at whatever time I like. So normally I do like to go first thing in the morning to get this out of the way and done with, slightly later than like the influx of work people. So around 8 to half 8. But yeah, it's really become a mission that I get myself to the gym every day, even if it's just for half an hour. I've gained around half a stone, so yeah, I'm on a mission to get back feeling good again. I am one of them people that doesn't tend to eat before the gym, but equally sometimes I need that energy, so I'll just grab a protein bar if I'm feeling like I need a little bit of something, and then it's off to the gym. My gym has actually just had a refurbishment and it's looking amazing. Honestly, the equipment is so good. I was so chuffed. This was the first day back and I just did a little bit of cardio today. After the gym, I then headed to Aldi to pick up some goods for an autumn breakfast. Because this is an autumn morning routine, I really wanted to make a special kind of breakfast today. So we're going to be doing French toast pumpkin spice edition with caramelized apples. Once the apples are caramelized, it's then time to make the French toast. So all you're going to need is pumpkin puree, milk, 2 eggs, and then I just whisk that all together, and then you want to add your spices. It is easy just to buy pumpkin spice. You can get it on Amazon, but it's actually made up of a bunch of spices that I already had in my cupboard. So yeah, I just did it this way. You then want to take your bread of choice. I always like to use brioche bread for French toast. And then you just pop it into that mixture that you made. Try and coat it as much as possible. And then just make sure you've got a hot pan and pop your bread in the pan. Now, I like to do my French toast until it's a little crispy. But obviously, you know, it's up to you how you like it. It's then time to plate up the pumpkin French toast and caramelized apples. Now, I did super caramelize my apples, but I love them this way. So yeah, presentation wise, it doesn't look the best, but honestly, trust me, this tasted absolutely insane. It's then time to clean up the kitchen. As you can see, this did create a lot of mess, hence why I don't make things like this every single morning, but it's always nice just to have a little treat breakfast every now and again. After the endless washing up is eventually finished, it's then time to head upstairs and get a shower. I always like to shower after breakfast because I'm always too hungry to shower before. And then once I come out of the shower, I then like to take this, I don't know how you say this brand, but it's basically a moisturizer that has a gradual tannin, and I just find that using this every single day after I've had my shower just really maintains my tan. I love it so much. It's then time to get dressed for the day. I wanted something comfy but still put together, and then my favourite perfume, Myrrh and Tonka by Jo Malone, and then I like to do some skincare. Today was an admin, kind of like editing day, so I didn't need any makeup on, but I do always like to do a full skincare in the morning just to maintain my skin, and now I'm getting older. I was using the Zoe Skin Health prescription product, but unfortunately I left them at Hazel's, so it's back to my trusty Elemis. I feel like you can never go wrong with Elemis products. And then after, I just like to pop on an SPF, just in case I do go out. I wear SPF every single day. And once that SPF has finally rubbed in, there I am, ready, fresh-faced for the day, and I just thought I'd show you my outfit as well. Joggers on the bottom to be comfy, but then a blazer to feel nice and smart. Then it's time to head downstairs, light a candle, of course. It's then time to finally sit down and start work for the day. I'm currently working in the living room. Now I've moved, I obviously don't have a designated office and workspace, which I didn't know how I would feel, because sometimes it's nice to kind of distance yourself from your home and feel like you have that area designated for work. But I've actually been getting on fine. I kind of mix it up between sitting here, going on the breakfast bar as well, and having that as my little space. And of course, I do always have Boo alongside me to keep me company. She is literally at my side at all hours of the day. But anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap up because that is my morning routine done and dusted. I really hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Rituals Vitamins. I will leave the discount code and the direct link in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.